Wagwan guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be doing some stir-fried chicken with ramen noodle. So let's get right into the video. Here we have a pound of chicken breast already cut and washed with lemon and vinegar. So now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add all our spices. So this first spice we're gonna add is some paprika. So we're adding 1 teaspoon of paprika. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to add 1 teaspoon of all-purpose season. Guys, this is the Cool Runnings brand. The link for their website is in my description box. You can go ahead and check them out for all your amazing spices. So this is our Caribbean spice and roasted garlic. This one is amazing. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to also add 1 teaspoon. Then we're going to go in with our Cajun seasoning. 1 teaspoon also of the Cajun seasoning. And guys, feel free to use whatever spices you have in your spice rack. This is my style, my way, and how I do my chicken. So then we're going to go in and we're going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Now we're going to apply this. We're going to massage and rub everything in. Make sure you coat all your chicken breasts. And guys, our wok is already on the stove, and then we're going to leave this to marinate for 40 to 60 minutes. So our pot is already preheated, so we add our oil, and guys, that is 2 tablespoons of oil. Then we're going to saute our garlic and our onion. So guys, this is a medium-sized onion we're using, and you're going to use all of it. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to saute that. So now that our onion and our garlic is sauteed, we're going to go in and we're going to add our chicken breast. So yes guys, our chicken is done. Now we're gonna be going in with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of stir-fry sauce. So guys, if you have the light and the dark soy sauce, you can feel free to use that. So now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna stir everything in. Then we're gonna go in and we're gonna add our carrot. Then we're gonna add some bell pepper. Look at that guys, that looks so amazing. You can just have this by itself, some stir fry chicken breast. So you keep stirring. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to add some hot water. So this is 2 cups of hot water guys that I will be using. And leave it, let it boil a little. Then we're going to be adding our ramen noodles. But before we do that, we're going to sprinkle a little bit of chili flakes. Now we're adding our ramen noodles. So guys, I am using 2 packs. This is a quick and simple and easy dinner recipe. So guys, feel free to try this recipe and let me know how you like it and how it turns out. Then now we're gonna be adding our next ramen noodle. So guys, you can also use the spice from the little spice that come in the package from the ramen noodle, or if you want, you don't have to, because this is already seasoned with all different kind of spices from the chicken. So we're gonna make sure we coat that with the sauce. Look at that, guys. So we're going to make sure we mix our ramen noodle in. So now that everything is coated into the sauce that we have here, what we're going to do is we're going to sprinkle some chopped green onion, aka scallion, and voila, look at that, guys. So now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna share and show you guys the complete dish. So guys, if you've reached this far into the video, please do remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Live good, love God, and I'll see you next time in Pal's Island Kitchen. And I do hope you enjoyed this video. This is our presentation, and you can have this with your fork, or you can grab your chopstick and get going. Love you guys. See you soon.